These curlers are backed with felt, which is nice, so they're not too hot to the touch. And they got plastic tips as well. And so you'll want to just get a few strands, a couple fingerfuls, not too much and not too little. And what we're going to do once we've curled everything and let these set for a bit is we take everything out, and we can actually go in and style these curls. If you hairspray before you do the styling, it can get really, really messy. Had I a bigger hairnet, it would have helped with this process right here, just to make sure you get that nice, rounded, lovely look. Now the kind of hairspray I'm using, I don't like to use a lot of hairspray, but I do like it to do its work.